they're very... What the fuck? You could have killed us! I apologize for the noise. Thank you. That was sick. Damn it! I want to keep going. I'm having so much fun. Should we go in the biker lane? It is a bike lane, yeah. Yeah, keep it pushing, dude. Keep it pushing. We gotta beat these bitches. This guy just got rebarb in a fucking old Lexus. What the fuck? This is a fucking cheat code, dude. Oh boy. The cheat code has come to an end. Cut it up.